Hello everybody, James again from KSTHL Labels. So, clothing labels, sport night. Actually, like example, that maybe 10 years ago, so we did not care about our accessories of the clothing products. So we have no much the requirement about our accessories, but now it's very different. In this moment, I think I feeling so all the labels, the woven labels is just like our labels. That's almost like it will make our garments more beautiful. So I think that is very important. And like 10 years ago, so actually we really did not pay attention about the quality of the labels, because the labels is very that is very small accessories on clothing. So almost people is not care about the quality or design artwork, and so that's also have no much people care about that. But now it's different. The clothing brands is very care about the design artwork, and so how to design the labels, and they can match our clothing, style, and the quality must match our clothing, and the clothing price. So everything we need to match. So I think in future the people will attach more and more about the quality of the accessories of the garments products. So of course, so that is a good thing, I think, and we also will make out better labels to customers. Thank you. Bye bye.